This would be a North American dead fucking bird. That's its head. We're gonna go in the living room. This is Albert. He's probably the main assassin.
Hang on, look.
That's my ninja.
Feathers.
We got some feathers coming up with some feathers, and this seems to be the killing fields over here. These are bird feathers, and
it continues. It
continues.
Over here. Oh,
and it's avian flu, everybody.
Oh my god.
What else we got? We got some more feathers. This bird put up quite a fight. This is Albert. Here's your... Hey, get back here. Hey, Albert.
Oh, there's half a bird.
There's some more bird parts over here for you.
Bird everywhere.
There's bird everywhere. This is what we saw walking in the house. Bird brains and a bird claw and some bird flood.